The kind, handsome, awesome people over at Velocity have sent me this bag, so it's only right that I give it away. I give it away. I give it away. I give it away. Alright, congratulations Kyle Ashby for winning the Velocity Rogue 3 bag. Congratulations. Kyle says he's an apprentice, and he said it's going to come in handy. It's more likely it's going to come in handy for your boss, mate, because you're going to get chinned for it, you know, it's guaranteed. Kyle and your gaffer, who's probably going to end up commandeering this, congratulations. Send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll get your address off you, and I'll get this sent out to you ASAP. Big shout out to everybody who entered. You know, there are a lot of comments on there. Big thank you to Velocity for sending me this. Tune in next week, got some big channel news coming up, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.